Welcome back to my channel, and this is me now. I just took off the old braids. Actually, this is what I'm going to be working with. My canvas. Now I'm going for a ponytail type of look. Insert pic right here. Inspo for this hairstyle. So I'm gonna flat twist here, going to the back, and this one will just kind of like swoop its way all the way up here, and the same I'm going to be doing it on this other side. So in case you might be wondering or asking, like, is this a ponytail? Have you done like what about the other parts, the back parts? I had done the back part a day before this filming, so I didn't want to get everything on camera because I needed to be I needed deep concentration. Like, I needed to concentrate myself doing the parts behind here. You're gonna see it once I'm done and through with this hairstyle. So let me just get started with, you know, the sides, and then I'm gonna finish up with the top. So I got already my baby hairs. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Fuego, fuego, nuestra canción. Ocean, waves in the sound, palms are swaying, let's get down. Dame tu mano, don't let go, el calor nos lleva al cielo.
Okay, so I look after flat twisting this all the way up to this side, and now I'm left with this side in order to touch this side. This one is just going to go all the way back, this one going to the side, this one's going to, so that is my feedback. Push this side down.
Fuego, nuestra canción.
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.